Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of z if we have z minus 4 divided by 4 minus z is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of z. So that first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution or which of the roots are extraneous root of the given equation. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here in the first method, you see here 4 minus z is divided by in the left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1. And after moving this value to the right hand side, it will becomes z minus 4 divided by 4 minus z is equals to 1, and when we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes z minus 4 is equals to 1 times of 4 minus z. Okay, so you know that 1 multiplied by 4 minus z is not affected 4 minus z, so we write it as z minus 4 is equals to 4 minus z. And because we solve this problem for the values of z, so for this we move the variable terms into the left hand side, and this is minus z. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus z, and this is minus 4. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 4. And you see here we get z plus z becomes 2z, and 4 plus 4 becomes here 8. And because we solve this problem for the values of c, so that's why we divide both of the sides by 2 in order to find the values of z. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will becomes 2z divided by 2 is equals to 8 divided by 2. And you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this is 2 times of 4 becomes 8, and we get the values of z is equals to 4. So this is the value of z. So here we get only one root of the given equation, that is z is equals to 4. And here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of z is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is z minus 4 divided by 4 minus z is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and here we substitute the value of z into the left hand side, and it will be written as this is 4 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 4 is equals to 1. And this implies that 4 minus 4 becomes 0 divided by this 4 minus 4 is also becomes 0 is equals to 1. So this means that we will get here this is the 0 by 0 form, and 0 by 0 form means that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, so if this is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that this is the undefined form. So if this is undefined, 0 by 0 is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both the sides are not equal, this means that the value of z is equals to 4 is not satisfied our given question statement. So that if this is not satisfied, this means that z is equals to 4 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given equation. So here I can explain the difference between root and extraneous root. So the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution, and the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. But here unfortunately you see that z is equals to 4 does not satisfy our given question statement, so this is the extraneous root. And further, the final conclusion about the solution of this problem is that it has no solution in general. Okay, so this question does not have any solution. So this is the final conclusion about the first method of this question. And now here we again solve this problem for second methods. I hope so you like both of these methods. In the second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is z minus 4 divided by 4 minus z is equals to 1. This is our given question statement. And in the second method, here I can just give you a smart technique to get the values of z. So for this we need to focus into the numerator term, and here we just take common negative sign, and when we will take common minus sign from here, we change the sign on both of these terms, and it will becomes minus times of 4 minus z divided by this is 4 minus z is equals to 1. And in the next step, you see here this value is cancelled out by this value, and we will get here minus 1 is equals to plus 1. So this shows that minus 1 is not equal to plus 1 in general. So if these two values are not equal in general, this means that the value of z is equals to 4 does not satisfy our given question statement. Or in other words, you just say that we cannot find any value of z from here. If we cannot get any value of z, so our final conclusion is about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.